I just found this little bass who's stuck in these weeds. I don't know what's wrong. I think he's snagged on something. Wrapped in someone's line. Guys, this is, oh no, someone's eating. Shit. Okay. I'm gonna cut him free. Guys, this is why you throw away your line. The little fish will get stuck in it. There we go. Wrapped in someone's line. Because this is why you have to take care of the environment. Because little fish like this are gonna get stuck. So throw away your line when you're done. Don't leave it. There he goes.